Ready? 3, 2, 1. So guys, I pre-apologize if I get angry at all, but guess what? What are we doing, honey?
We are going to make a kitchen table.
See, IKEA's...
Scissors!
And see, IKEA is like the true test of a relationship, and we are about to assemble a kitchen table and chairs. So we're gonna have you guys with us. We're probably gonna do a time lapse for a little bit, and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Guys, we got a table. Right, honey?
Let's go.
Oh, it is time, guys. We are time for the chairs. Here we go. Phase 2. Okay, guys, update. Lauren is better at making a chair than me. However, we discovered a tragedy. We don't have wine. Because you always need to make furniture with wine.
I feel like that would...
So, Lauren is faster at making a chair than I am. And look at that, her chair is on. Oh yeah, we gotta still put the seat. But her chair is like 3/4 of the way down. Just like that, guys, we are finishing up all 4 chairs. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lauren, word of advice for anyone doing IKEA furniture, what would you say to that? Oh shoot, we should turn the air on.
Nah. Actually, we probably did that.
We got a fan right there. And guys, we're on our final step. We just gotta screw these little guys right into there. Get ready. We're almost done. Okay, Lauren. We finished the first chair,
Ready?
So now it's time for the ultimate test. Are you ready?
Oh, are you gonna sit on it?
No, you're gonna sit on it. Because I trust you, and you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Oh, I love the fake. See, it worked. Okay, guys, we have finished. Look at our table. Okay, honey, before we finish the vlog, words of advice for people assembling IKEA furniture.
Can I screwdriver, please?
Take 2. Words of advice for people assembling IKEA furniture.
Don't.
Just skip the furniture, go to the meatball section.
Oh my god, why are we not having meatballs tonight?
Because we're not at IKEA. We have meatballs
I
though.
have the sauce. We have Italian meatballs, so it's not gonna be the same.
That's true. That's true. But on that note, you guys, we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. At our new table.